Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer money from Raiffeisen Bank to PayPal. So the first step that you have to do is open your PayPal account, and from here you just have to link your Raiffeisen to your PayPal. So to do that, just go ahead and tap on this one, add card or bank, and then you just have to link your bank account. So in here you have to put your bank name, which is the Raiffeisen Bank. So you put that, and then you just have to put here the bank code and as well as the account number. And once you're done, your name will be automatically added here. So what you're gonna do next is tap on link your bank. So once you're done linking your card, you just have to go to home, and then in here you have to go ahead and deposit any amount from Raiffeisen Bank to your PayPal. So you just have to complete the transaction to complete the deposit. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!